Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a system, living a life that doesn't truly feel like yours? Like you're just following a path laid out for you, without questioning if it's the right one? Today, we're talking about The Matrix. Not the movie, but the invisible system that shapes how most of us live. Let's dive in and uncover how this system holds us back, and how we can break free to become our true selves. Now, what is the Matrix, and why does it keep us trapped? Discover the invisible system that controls how we think and live, shaping our decisions and keeping us from reaching our true potential. Understand its hold and how it impacts our lives daily. The Matrix is a metaphor for the systems that control how we think, act, and live our lives. It's the societal norms, expectations, and structures that tell us what we should do. Go to school, get a degree, work a 9-to-5 job, retire at 60, and then maybe, just maybe, enjoy life. But here's the thing. This system often prioritizes conformity over individuality, consumption over creativity, and safety over fulfillment. Think about it. How often do we make decisions based on what's expected of us, rather than what we truly want? The Matrix keeps us trapped by feeding us distractions, social media, meaningless trends, and even the pursuit of material success that doesn't align with our deeper purpose. It's like being on a treadmill, constantly moving but never really going anywhere meaningful. The system encourages us to chase external validation, whether through job titles, likes on social media, or societal approval, while ignoring our true passions and individuality. When we're stuck in the Matrix, we become passive participants in our own lives, letting external forces dictate our choices and priorities. It's not about actively oppressing us, but about creating an environment where we don't question the status quo. Breaking free requires awareness, courage, and the willingness to chart your own path, even when it's difficult or unconventional. Let's talk about the truth about today's education system, that how traditional schooling often prioritizes conformity over creativity, leaving many wondering if college and formal education are truly the key to success. The education system plays a significant role in this matrix. From a young age, we're taught to follow rules, memorize facts, and compete with others for grades. But how much of that truly prepares us for the real world? In the past, going to college guaranteed a stable job. But in today's world, is that still true? Rising tuition costs have left many graduates burdened with debt, and degrees often don't guarantee employment. The skills taught in traditional education systems frequently fail to align with what's needed in modern workplaces. Employers today value problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability, skills that aren't always prioritized in schools. It's not about whether college is good or bad, but about understanding that the system isn't designed for everyone. Instead of nurturing curiosity and individual talents, it often pushes students into predefined molds. Many people graduate without a clear sense of purpose or direction, realizing too late that they've been chasing someone else's definition of success. We need to ask ourselves, are we learning to think critically, solve problems, and create value? Or are we just earning a piece of paper? The education system, for many, has become more about credentials than actual learning. True education should empower us to explore our unique strengths and passions, not just fit into a societal framework. Learn from the journeys of individuals who questioned the system, took bold risks, and carved out paths to live life on their own terms. Many people have found a way out of the matrix by questioning the system and forging their own path. Take Steve Jobs, for example. He dropped out of college and followed his passion for technology and design. His unconventional approach led to the creation of Apple, changing the way we interact with technology forever. His story teaches us the power of trusting our instincts and pursuing what truly excites us, even if it's not the conventional path. Elon Musk is another example. Instead of settling for what society told him was possible, he questioned the limits of technology and business. He founded companies like Tesla and SpaceX, not because they were easy, but because they aligned with his vision of the future. Musk's journey shows us the importance of thinking big, embracing challenges and taking risks to create something meaningful. Another example comes from the world of YouTubers and content creators. Many have broken free from traditional career paths by focusing on mastering their craft and creating content that resonates with millions. Their success comes from breaking the mold and embracing their unique strengths. By consistently improving their skills, understanding their audiences, and staying authentic, they turn their passions into thriving careers. These individuals didn't just accept the rules of the Matrix. They questioned them, explored alternatives, and found ways to create value on their own terms. Their stories remind us that breaking free is possible if we're willing to think differently and work hard. Now let's discuss the practical steps for young people to break free from societal expectations, focus on personal growth, and build a life of independence and purpose. Breaking free from the rat race doesn't mean rejecting everything. It means being intentional about your choices. Here's how you can start. Number 1, question the system. Ask yourself, why are you doing what you're doing? Is it because it aligns with your goals, or is it because it's what society expects? Take time to reflect deeply on whether your actions serve your long-term happiness and fulfillment. This process requires honesty and the willingness to challenge deeply ingrained beliefs. By questioning the norms, you'll start to see opportunities to carve out your own path. Number 2, learn practical skills. Focus on skills that have real-world value, like coding, communication, or entrepreneurship. These skills can give you independence and flexibility. Practical skills not only make you more adaptable, but also empower you to create opportunities for yourself rather than relying solely on traditional paths. With these skills, you can build something meaningful while staying ahead in a rapidly changing world. Next, and most crucial, build multiple streams of income. Because, let's face it, money isn't everything, but it can solve 90% of your problems. Relying on one job can keep you trapped. Start a side hustle, invest, or learn about passive income. Diversifying your income protects you from financial instability and gives you the freedom to explore passions without fear of losing your livelihood. Financial independence is a key step toward escaping the matrix and gaining control over your life. And don't limit your brain with excuses like, I don't know how to start, I don't have much money to invest, or I don't have time to do it. Just stop. There's almost unlimited information, ideas, techniques, and much more. Whatever you need is available on the internet. The only thing that truly matters is your willpower. Prioritize personal growth. Read, learn, and experiment. The more you know yourself, the better you can navigate life outside the matrix. Personal growth isn't just about self-help books. It's about taking risks, learning from failures, and continuously expanding your comfort zone to unlock your full potential. The journey of self-discovery and improvement is what leads to genuine fulfillment. Now, let me explain. What is the purpose of this video? What will happen if you follow all these steps? Is this video really useful? Just manifest and think that you've become one of those who cracked the system. Let's discuss. What happens when you escape the matrix and unleash your true potential? Once you crack the matrix, the possibilities are endless. You can build a life where you wake up excited about what you do. You can achieve financial freedom, pursue your passions, and create meaningful connections. Cracking the matrix allows you to focus on what truly matters, whether it's creating art, solving problems, or simply living authentically. Breaking free means living on your own terms. It means spending your time on things that truly matter to you and not just ticking boxes for someone else's expectations. You can build businesses, travel the world, or dedicate yourself to causes you care about. Most importantly, you can inspire others to break free and live their true potential. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and making a positive impact on the world around you. Finding your way out of the matrix isn't easy, but it's worth it. The journey begins with small, intentional steps. Reflect on your life, question the status quo, and take action toward building a life that feels true to you. Remember, the power lies with you. You just have to claim it. So, take a step back, look at your life and ask yourself, am I living for me or for the Matrix? The answer might just change your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on self-improvement and achieving your true potential. See you in the next one.